Hello, everyone, and welcome to Level Up Your English. I'm Emma. In today's video, we're going to practice your pronunciation together. This is a repeat after me lesson. I will say a sentence, explain it, and then you will repeat it. Don't worry if it's difficult. Take your time, speak slowly, and do your best. Let's begin. Perfect. Let's start. The first sentence is, I'm ready. You can use this when you are prepared for something. Repeat, I'm ready. Very good. Next sentence, I'm not ready yet. Use this when you need more time. Repeat, I'm not ready yet. Good. Now this one. Just a moment, please. Use this when you want someone to wait. Repeat. Just a moment, please. Excellent. Next sentence. Give me a second. This is another natural way to ask for time. Repeat. Give me a second. Very good. Now this one. I'm on my way. Use this when you are going somewhere now. Repeat. I'm on my way. Perfect. Next sentence. I'll be there soon. Use this when you want to say you are coming soon. Repeat. I'll be there soon. Very good. Let's continue. Next sentence. Can you wait for me? Use this when you need a little more time. Repeat. Can you wait for me? Good. Now this one. I'm a little busy. Use this when you cannot do something right now. Repeat. I'm a little busy. Excellent. Next sentence. I'm free now. Use this when you have time. Repeat. I'm free now. Very good. Now this one. No problem. Use this when something is okay. Repeat. No problem. Perfect. Now we will practice simple sentences for real-life situations. Listen, understand, and repeat with me. Let's start with a café. The sentence is, Can I get a coffee, please? Repeat. Can I get a coffee, please? Very good. Next sentence. Can I get a sandwich? Repeat. Can I get a sandwich? Good. Now this one. I would like a coffee. Repeat. I would like a coffee. Excellent. Next. With milk, please. Repeat. With milk, please. Very good. Now this one. That's all. Thank you. Repeat. That's all. Thank you. Perfect. Let's continue. Now in a shop. The sentence is, How much is this? Repeat. How much is this? Very good. Next sentence, It's too expensive. Repeat. It's too expensive. Good. Now this one. Do you have it in another size? Repeat. Do you have it in another size? Excellent. Next, can I try this on? Repeat, can I try this on? Very good. Now this one, I'll take it. Repeat, I'll take it. Perfect. Next sentence, can I pay by card? Repeat, can I pay by card? Excellent. Let's continue. Now we will practice more simple sentences. This will help you speak in everyday situations. The next sentence is, I wake up early. Repeat, I wake up early. Very good. Next sentence, I go to work. Repeat, I go to work. Good. Now this one. I have lunch. Repeat, I have lunch. Excellent. Next, I drink water. Repeat, I drink water. Very good. Now this one. I watch TV. Repeat, I watch TV. Perfect. Next sentence. I listen to music. Repeat, I listen to music. Good. Now this one. I go to bed late. Repeat, I go to bed late. Excellent. Let's continue. Next sentence, I'm at home. Repeat, I'm at home. Very good. Now this one. I'm with my friends. Repeat, I'm with my friends. Good. Next sentence. I'm busy today. Repeat, I'm busy today. Excellent. Now this one. Now I'm free. Repeat, now I'm free. Very good. Next sentence. I feel good. Repeat, I feel good. Good. Now this one. I feel tired. Repeat, I feel tired. Excellent. Next sentence. I'm learning English. Repeat, I'm learning English. Perfect. The last one. I want to improve. Repeat, I want to improve. Amazing! Great job today. You did very well. Keep practicing every day, even if it's just a few minutes. Little by little, your English will improve. Remember, the key is repetition and consistency. If you liked this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to Level Up Your English. We have many more videos to help you speak English with confidence. And if you want to improve faster, watch the next lesson and practice again. See you in the next video.